Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Kinray Weblink account. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have not yet, press the notification bell so that you never miss another upcoming upload from us. Actually, it's pretty easy to log into your Kinray Weblink account. Open up a web browser of your choice and type in kinrayweblink.cardinalhealth.com/login and press enter on your keyboard. After that, type in your username and your password into the login area. If you have forgot your username or your password, click on Request User ID link and follow the instructions. If you don't have an account yet, click on Open Account link from here and follow the instructions again. After filling all of your information, click on the Login button, and that's it. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.